Traveling to Morocco offers an unforgettable blend of cultural experiences, breathtaking landscapes, and historical insights. Whether you're an adventurer, a history enthusiast, or just looking to relax, Morocco has something for everyone. Begin your journey in Marrakech, the vibrant city known as the Red City. At the heart of Marrakech lies the famous Jima El Fna, a lively square filled with snake charmers, musicians, and food stalls offering traditional Moroccan cuisine. As you explore the narrow, winding alleys of the Medina, you'll discover an array of handcrafted goods from leather bags to intricate rugs. Visiting Marrakech is not complete without experiencing its stunning gardens and palaces, such as the Majorelle Garden or the opulent Bahia Palace. From Marrakech, consider a trip to the Atlas Mountains. These towering ranges offer hiking opportunities with breathtaking vistas, traditional Berber villages, and a chance to experience the local culture untouched by time. The village of Imlil serves as a popular base for treks up Mount Toubkal, North Africa's highest peak. The coastal city of Essaouira presents a different side of Morocco with its laid-back atmosphere and rich historical sites. Wander through the well-preserved Medina, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and relax on the sandy beaches. Essaouira's artistic vibe is palpable, with galleries and workshops showcasing local craftsmanship. For seafood lovers, the fresh catch served at seaside cafes is not to be missed. No trip to Morocco would be complete without a visit to the Sahara Desert. Join a guided tour to witness the vast dunes and experience a camel ride through the golden sands. Spend a night under the stars in a traditional Berber tent, where the silence of the desert offers a unique peace. Fez stands as Morocco's spiritual and cultural center, known for one of the oldest universities in the world. Fez offers a labyrinth of winding streets in its Medina, filled with historical sites, vibrant markets, and unique artisan workshops. Don't miss a visit to the Chawara tanneries, where leather goods are produced using age-old methods. Morocco's cities are connected by a network of trains, buses, and cheap flights, making it easy to travel between urban centers and rural retreats. Accommodations range from luxury hotels to traditional riads, offering options for every budget. Traveling in Morocco is generally safe, but it's always wise to practice common travel precautions, such as respecting local customs and staying vigilant with your belongings. Each city and region in Morocco offers something unique, and traveling there gives you an opportunity to experience a country where tradition and modernity intertwine seamlessly. Whether you're bargaining in a souk, hiking in the mountains, lounging on a beach, or sleeping beneath a star-studded sky, Morocco promises an adventure that will linger in your memories long after you return home.